Hi, we're here at the Dental Town meeting, which is a fabulous meeting, and I have Dr. Gina Dorfman, who is a longtime user of the KoR system, and she came up to me a little while ago telling me of some of her experiences, and I thought it would be very nice to tell all of you about that. Gina, what we have here, for the most part, is dentists and dental staff members that may never have used the KoR system. They've probably heard about it, but they haven't used it. And just let them know what your experience has been, how it's worked in your practice.
Well, Rod, the experience had been absolutely amazing. We've been using the deep bleaching system ever since we heard about it, probably in the early 2002, 2003.
2003 is when it first started, yes.
Right, and when the KoR products came out, we immediately switched to KoR. The reason is because I've had all the great ideas that I've always had from you. Everything that I've tested in my practice was amazing, so I had to try this product.
Great.
And I have to tell you that my biggest thing always with whitening is the sensitivity. You know, any product, there's been claims, no sensitivity, it's easy, but at the end of the day, you do the bleaching, and no matter how great it works, there's always sensitivity, and you warn your patients about it. My greatest fear was that, especially with a new patient, that I provide this amazing service and they look great, but there is this sensitivity at the end that essentially affects the doctor relationship. You know, and I'm skeptical about things.
Right.
And when I heard...
Which you should be, absolutely.
So when I heard KoR bleaching, no sensitivity, I was skeptical. And I decided to try it on myself. I have sensitive teeth, I have recession, so I've tried it.
Right.
And I thought it was absolutely amazing. Then I tried it on my husband. And he came back and he said absolutely no sensitivity.
Fabulous.
We've been using it for years, and patient after patient after patient, they're actually able to get their teeth whitened. The patients who've never been able to whiten before can whiten with this amazing system.
Well, that's great to hear, and of course, no system is perfect. You know, I mean, it's, you know, for everybody watching, remember that we are very low sensitivity, but I don't want you to think that there's no such thing as sensitivity, because it's still going to happen. Because scientifically, well, if you're on our website right now and you want to read more about sensitivity, go download the white paper that I have on bleaching sensitivity, and you'll see from a scientific point of view exactly what's going on and why some patients are more sensitive. So I don't want you to think that you're not going to have any sensitivity, but as Gina's saying, we hear this all the time. We hear so much lower.
It's exactly. This is the only thing that you can do to help your patients. And if they're prone to sensitivity, this is the way to go. And of course, the result is amazing. They just got to follow the instructions and do it right.
Oh, right.
You got to do it right.
And dentists have to follow the instructions.
Absolutely.
You know, you have to kind of relearn, or you have to unlearn everything you know about whitening.
Absolutely.
And do it this way, because it's a combination of technique and products. So it's a full system. You can't just get products and use the same old technique and expect to see a difference.
Well, I think what's amazing, you're the only company that actually ships your product in refrigerated. How amazing is that?
Well, it's not just that. It's before that. You know, shipping is, you know, to the customer is important. But if you have product that's been sitting around in a hot warehouse, or has been shipped from a factory in a hot truck or something like that, and so by keeping all of our whitening products refrigerated, every instant from the second that it's manufactured until it gets into the refrigerator at the dental office, well, you've seen the results.
The results are amazing. If you haven't tried this product, call this company, call Rod. And you know, can I just say one more thing?
Go ahead.
You know, the customer service is amazing.
Oh,
I mean, this is the only company where you can actually approach the owner, ask some questions. You know, you talk. You don't get that usually.
That is number one on our list, you know, as far as what we want to achieve in our company, is customer service, customer contact. We have dentists calling all the time, asking us questions that have nothing to do with even whitening, and we love it. You know, we love it. So thank you for that. I appreciate that you noticed that.
Well, thank you for the amazing product.
All right.
And try it. It really works, and patients will appreciate that you go the extra step to use the products that will benefit them the most.
Great. All right, well, thank you very much, Gina. That was, wow, lots of stuff. Anyway, thank you, everybody, for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.